Recording in progress.
Hello, children. Today, before we begin, let's sing a beautiful song about the ladybug. Do you remember the ladybug that you learned last time? Yes, and imagine that this is your ladybug. What's this? This is a scarf. Yes, come on, grab your scarves and imagine this to be a ladybug. Come on, let's begin. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, start. I have a little ladybug, ladybug, ladybug. I have a little ladybug. Its wings are black and red. See the little ladybug, ladybug, ladybug. See the little ladybug flying here and there. Now it's landing on the ground, on the ground, on the ground. Now it's landing on the ground and crawling everywhere. And crawling everywhere. Wow, that was a nice song about the ladybug. Children, do you remember Aryan from Amna teacher's class? Yes, and children, do you know Aryan had learned about an insect that glows in the dark to communicate. Yes, and he wanted to know more about them. And which are those insects? Do you all know? They are called the fireflies. So Aryan asked Amna teacher to tell him more about them. So let's see what Amna teacher says. Yes, Aryan, you're right. The fireflies glow in the dark to communicate. So today, children, I'm going to tell you more about the fireflies. And I'm going to show you a picture of the firefly now. So here I come. So Amna teacher showed Rahul a picture of the firefly. This is the picture of the firefly, children. Can you see this? Yes. So Amna teacher said that firefly is actually a beetle and not a fly at all. So because it's called a firefly does not mean that it's a fly. It's a beetle. And fireflies have flat bodies. Look at its body. Its body is flat and they have blackish backs. Their backs are blackish in color. And look at their eyes. They have got large eyes and a very short antenna. And fireflies are the best recognized by their glowing abdominal region. Can you see here this yellow light? Yes. So the abdominal region of the firefly glows. Both the adult firefly as well as the babies, that is the larva, are capable of glowing. And do you know one more exciting fact, children? Even the eggs of the firefly, they glow. What a beautiful sight it would be. Yes? Yes. And fireflies are found in a variety of habitats. They live in many places, especially in forest edges, in wooded areas, and areas near the streams and the ponds. And firefly larvas, they are predators. And do you know what do the larvas eat? They eat earthworms, snails, and slugs. So they are predators. But when the firefly becomes an adult, when they become an adult firefly, they feed mostly on the nectar from the flower and the pollens. Yes, they feed mostly on the nectar and the pollens. Now, do you all know how does this firefly produce this light? How does it glow in the dark? The fireflies produce the light by initiating a chemical reaction inside their body. So there is a chemical reaction, children, that happens inside their bodies. And fireflies use their glowing bodies to signal each other and communicate, to call out to each other in the dark, right? How you might use a flashlight to talk to your friend in the dark. When we go out and it is very dark, you use a flashlight, to give signal to your friends. So same way, the fireflies also communicate with each other with the help of their glowing bodies. And children, fireflies have a very bitter taste. So if someone comes to eat the fireflies, they wouldn't be very happy. And they can be very poisonous too to the creatures that would like to eat them. So it would be bad if someone comes and eats these fireflies. And what do the fireflies do? Do you know? They may glow to warn their predators. So when someone is coming to catch them, they may glow. And the predator may think that they taste yucky. They taste yucky, which is considered as a defense mechanism of the smart little fireflies, or a way of protecting themselves. So the glowing of the body is not only used for communication, but it is also used to protect themselves. They use it to protect themselves. And when the fireflies are very disturbed, something is happening, something wrong is happening, the frequency and intensity of their glow increases. They glow brighter. You can see that they are glowing brighter if they see predators around and they want to warn the other fireflies. Then the frequency and intensity of their glow increases. And this light of the firefly can be of different colors, children. It can be either yellow color, like how it is here, or it can be a green color light or an orange color light. Yes. And since firefly makes its own light, it is also called a lightning bug. The firefly is also called a lightning bug. And now you all know why? Because it glows. It is able to make light. So that is why it is also called a lightning bug. And children, do you know the life cycle of a firefly is similar to that of the butterfly, is of the moth, of the ladybug. Yes, the adult firefly lays eggs and the larva hatches out of the eggs, which enters later into the pupa stage before they become the adult fireflies. So there are 4 stages in the life cycle of a firefly. Egg, what hatches out of the egg? The larva, and then the larva enters into pupa stage, and then what comes out of the pupa are the adult fireflies. So I think we all are excited and happy to know about the fireflies, isn't it, Aryan? Are you really fascinated to know about the fireflies? Yes, I am really very fascinated to know about the fireflies, and I'm going to go and tell everyone about it. So children, now it's time to say bye to Aryan. Bye, Aryan. So children, now I'm going to show you some more pictures of the firefly. Let's see. Wow, can you see here? Beautiful fireflies glowing in the dark. It looks as if there is a bulb behind them. Yes. So the abdomen region of the firefly glows because of a chemical reaction inside their body. And this is used as a defense mechanism by them too. And it is also used to communicate with each other. And look at the body of the firefly. It's blackish color and the body is flat. Can you see the back of the body? It's flat. They are also insects. So their body is divided into three parts: the head, the thorax, and the abdomen. And the abdomen region is the one which glows in the dark, right? And they have 6 legs and 2 short antennas. And look here, a chemical reaction happening, which causes their abdominal region to glow. And this light can be of different colors. It can be either orange, it can be yellow. Yes. Wow, that's exciting. Wow. And cycle of a firefly. It's again divided into 4 stages. First comes the egg. The adult firefly lays the egg. The second stage is the larva, which hatches out of the egg. The third stage is the larva become in a pupating stage. It builds a cocoon around itself and pupates. And the fourth stage is an adult firefly coming out of the pupa. So children, isn't that exciting? Are you all fascinated to hear about the fireflies? Me too. I'm very fascinated to hear so many exciting facts about the fireflies. So children, that's all for now. And I'm going to see you soon. Bye, everyone.